Catfishing with Steve-O. I've got my little 12-foot John boat with me. I've had people ask about it, how my rod holders are set up and stuff. Here she is. I got these little wheels back here attached to the back of it on the bottom, so I can roll it around. Roll it from the ramp here up to my truck. Got this little extension thing that comes out of the back of the trailer hitch. I just wheel it up there and throw it in and lock her down. As far as the rod holders, they're just screwed into the side of the bench right there. I drilled some bigger holes out here on the outside and screwed it in, just screwed it into the bench there on the back and on the front. Pretty simple. Holds up pretty good. It's a little camera mount. I put the battery right up here, right up front. I got this wire runs all the way to the back to the trolling motor. I got another little separate battery here for lights and a depth finder. I put that little battery gauge on it. Just cut a little hole in that box, that little battery case. Wired it up. Tells me how much juice I got left for my lights. Pretty handy. My little 12-foot John boat. I'm going to paint her up. Make her look better. Let's get her out there and go fishing. Oh yeah! We got her wide open. About to get it up on plane. Got to lock the truck. We got her wide open, man. I love fishing from this little thing. It's a lot of fun catching big catfish in it. It's got a little leak in it somewhere. I put JB Weld and that rubber spray seal crap on every rivet I've got. I got some kind of black crap you're supposed to brush on the bottom of it. I'm going to be putting that on there. She works, man. She gets you where you gotta go. As long as you ain't going far. And as long as you don't want to hurry. But I ain't in no hurry. It's Tuesday, March 2nd, 1:30 in the afternoon. We're gonna stay here in this little creek for a little bit. See what happens. Catfishing with Steve-O. Oh yeah. Water's muddy. It's been raining like crazy lately. We're gonna anchor up here in this is the deepest part of this creek right here. There's like a big old hole right here. We're gonna anchor up and see what happens. I ain't got a clue how deep it is. Well, I do. I can get my Navionics app. I'll do that here in a minute. I got me some new Skipjack rods. I was using them big game catfish rods. Man, they were just way too heavy. Wearing my arm out after a couple of hours. I like using the bigger rods for skipjack on the bank, so I can, when I'm on the bank, I can get it out there a little bit further, you know. One of them B&M Silver Cat. It's a lot thinner and more lightweight. It's a little more lightweight compared to that big game rod. We got a little variety today. We got some smaller shad, a little bit bigger gizzard shad, and of course, frozen skipjack. Frozen because I ain't caught much of them lately. Maybe there'll be some through here today. That'd be nice. We're fishing. Had to take my tracker boat, the Catfish Slayer, back to Bass Pro Shops this morning. The other day I was out fishing and I noticed I was getting a rooster tail coming off the transducer. I had just swapped it out with a different one and I was like, that can't be good. Well, anyway, I went out there, made my way to where I was going, fished for a little while, went to leave, and fish jump. Went to leave, and I gave her some gas and started coming up out of the hole, and all of a sudden, my motor started rattling and crap, and it was pitch black, man. Is that a skipjack, I wonder? It was pitch black. I made my way back to the boat ramp. I was pretty far away too, and it ran the whole way back. It was just rattling, man. I come to the boat ramp, and there was another dude launching right there as I was pulling in. He asked me if I did any good. I said no. I got a bunch of bites. I was like, but I barely made it back to the boat ramp. He said, what's wrong? I said, I don't know, man. It just started making all kinds of crazy noise. And it just rattling. I looked at him. I said, Catfish Dave? He said, yep. I was like, oh, hell. Hey, man. We sat there and BS'd for a minute. He said, it sounds like it's fine. It's idling fine. I was like, yeah, but as soon as you give it gas, man, it starts rattling and crap going on. Anyhow, I pulled it up out of the water, got on the dock, and I noticed my transducer was jacked up. It'd come loose. It was jacked up like that. I thought surely that didn't make all that problem. And it was sitting low. It was sitting a little too low. So I took it home, fixed all that crap, adjusted it, went back out this morning just to see if it was still making that noise, and yep, as soon as I started throttling it, started sounding like crap. I was like, what the heck, man? So anyway, I don't know what it is. I checked the oil, had plenty of oil, transducer was fine, wasn't throwing up a rooster tail anymore. So I just took it in, man. They told me they'd call me when they figured out what it was. Fingers crossed it ain't nothing crazy, man. And it's a brand new boat and under warranty. So here we are today. I had to go fishing. So we gonna fish in this little guy. Y'all pray it ain't nothing crazy, man. Heck far, I can't really afford it. There's a fish jumping. Maybe we'll get us a skipjack. That'd be nice. And they said they're 2 weeks behind, so it's gonna be a while. I ain't gonna have the Catfish Slayer for a while. Yeah, this is a lot lighter, man, compared to that other one. They're jumping all around me. Busting water. What are you, little fella? Show yourself. Show yourself. white bass. I'd like to catch some, cause I ain't got no fresh bait. It's over there now. If I do catch something, it's gonna get tangled up in all these lines. I'm limited on space. Something's on fire out here. Smoking. Uh-oh. Got another hit, y'all. Come and get it. Come and get it. Booyah! Got him! Got him! Oh, hell yes, it is a skipjack. Little bitty feller. Oh yeah! Calm down. Calm down, sucker. Get my line all up in my hand. Fudge. Got us a little skipjack. Heck yeah. Dang Skippy. Dang Skippy, we got a Skippy. And I got a miss. That's the bad thing about using these rigs with multiple lures. I get this crap tangled up all the time. I can't tell which way to go. I need my glasses. Won't get no worse. Whatever you do. Okay. 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 Got that taken care of. Let's get another, shall we? Try to anyway. Skipjack scales all over me. Ah, got another one. Well, that's a good sign. It's always fun when you can catch bait while you're waiting on a catfish. Skipjacks skipping. Skipjacks skipping. Oh yeah! Another little feller. Another little feller. Calm down. Calm down, little buddy. Little skipjack herring. He's awful little, but he'll make bait, and I don't have any fresh skipjacks. We gonna keep him. He'll make a bait. Skipjacks, skipjack. Got hit again. Sweet. I've got a little spoon too. I might try throwing it. One of them catfish sumo, double hooked, Foley type spoons. Surely if there's bait in here, there's catfish. Uh-oh, jumping over there. I've caught quite a few catfish right here. I think I got hit already. Missed it. I caught a leaf. I'm using a series of 3. There's a white grub with a pink head up top, a little gray and white fly, and a bigger white grub on the bottom. We are just floating around everywhere. I bet you there's a bunch more at that creek mouth up there where it feeds into the Tennessee River. I've caught a crap load of them over there last year. Let's play around with that spoon and see what it brings. Just for fun. And I haven't caught anything on that Catfish Sumo Foley spoon yet. Let's see if she'll catch us some. I like these B&M Silver Cat catfish rods. I'm not using them for catfishing, but they make a good skipjack rod. A little bit long for using in this boat, but I just wanted to try them out. There's that little Catfish Sumo. It's got 2 hooks on it instead of 1. See what happens. I ain't even got a hit on this one. Maybe they're preferring the grubs and flies today. They're still busting water. Let's go back to the grubs. Go. Oh yeah. Calm down, getting all tangled up. Skipjack. Little skipjack. Heck yeah! That was on a little white fly. I swapped one of them grubs out for a fly. A little bit bigger skipjack too. Oh yeah! Got one. Ah, he let let go. Little skipper skipped. He let go. Uh-oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh yeah. That's a good one right there. Yeah. Big old Skippy. Tangled up. Good skipjack. Heck yeah. That was a good one. Oh yeah. Heck yeah, man. He scared me. Oh crap. I was picking at it. Picked at it all the way up to the boat. Heck yeah. Skipjacks. Skipjacks. Boom. Got another one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. He ate that pink grub. He ate that pink and white grub. Another Skippy. Dang Skippy. Oh yeah. Heck yeah, man. I ain't catching catfish, but I'm catching bait. I can dig that. I hope I catch a catfish too. Oh shit. You didn't see that. Nobody saw that. Broke off. Heck yeah, I broke everything off. Shoot off. Holy crap. Let's tie on a couple more. Little white fly with a pink head and a little white grub with a pink head. Dang it. Hit it again. no catfishes yet. I figured they'd be coming through here, eating on this bait. Probably ain't late enough. I ain't staying too late though. I gotta go to work in the morning. I'd like to catch a catfish before I leave though. I don't care if it's a channel cat. Well y'all, we didn't catch no catfish. We're gonna head home. Appreciate y'all watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't. Catfishing with Steve-O. Y'all have a good one.